everyone, look at this beautiful chocolate flower. Let's make it. Here we are going to take this card for perfect measurement. Now cut this red ribbon like this. After this we are going to fold it from one side and using this glue we are going to paste it like this. Again we are going to paste more such petals one after another in a straight line. Look, you will get a design like this. Now put this candy inside this box. After this we are going to paste it on the top of this green stick. Finally we are going to paste all the flower petals around it using hot glue gun. So spread the glue gun like this and roll the flowers around the stick like we're doing here. We are also decorating it using this net. So we're going to wrap it around the flower using hot glue gun and give it shape, and look at this beautiful flower chocolate design. We're going to take this red color of ribbon, make multiple cuts. Now paste all of them using double-sided tape. Here we are going to make a beautiful ribbon. You can also use a lighter for design. Now tie a knot at the center, put a clip and wrap it, and look, your hair ribbon clip is ready. We're going to make beautiful flower design using these purple color of ribbons. So paste all ribbon shapes in a straight line and roll it around this stick using hot glue gun. Spread the glue gun in a straight line and roll it on the stick like this, and you will get this beautiful rose flower. Now you can make more such flowers and make a beautiful bouquet at the end. Now we are going to spread this sparkle glitter on the top of this rose. So spread this glue and dab it on the purple glitter, and look at the shine, how pretty this is looking. Here we are going to put this candy on the top of this rose flower. So let's make it. Here we are going to put this candy on this container and wrap it around these beautiful flowers. You can also add different layers and make a beautiful bouquet at the end like we are doing here. You can take this paper and wrap it like this. Take a ribbon as well and tie a knot at the center. You can increase and decrease the size of the paper according to the gift, and look, it's ready. You can also take these beautiful net designs and ribbon and tie a bow, and look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.